Now we are happy na we are under the provisionally admitted tayo ngayon sa Witness Protection Program ng DOJ. We are hoping to be given a permanent Witness Protection Program. Kanina may nagtanong po sa atin kung nasubmit na ba namin yung affidavit namin, yung sworn statement ni Ma'am Sally. Noon pang nasa Senate tayo, we have already submitted the sworn statement of Ma'am Sally Santos of SYMS Construction. Kanina, we already submitted the same affidavit, and for clarification, we intend to submit supplemental to clarify all that needs to be clarified. We have been in coordination with the local PNP sa lugar namin, sa May Kawayan, Bulacan. I think nabawasan naman yung mga, sabi nga niya, yung may mga umiikot na unidentified vehicles sa lugar nila, nabawasan naman na. And kanina sabi niya sa akin, attorney, mukhang wala naman na. Pero ganun pa man, lagi lang nasa bahay si Ma'am Sally ngayon. Hindi pa namin napag-usapan ni Ma'am Sally if she wants to be a state witness. Ang napag-usapan lang namin talaga is, attorney, gusto ko sabihin lahat. If my statement would be considered enough to be a state witness, of course, makikiisa siya sa programang iyon.